other non-traditional rooms in the home, and we are going to check that out. But first, let's see what TAC Granada from FHIA has for us today.
Normally, we start talking about how important it is to be prepared for hurricane season right around the beginning of June. This year, it's really important to start that process probably about a month earlier because of how difficult it is right now getting products from manufacturers. One of the things that we've seen across the board in all products, whether it's windows, roofing, or anything related to home improvement projects, it's really difficult and manufacturers are really backed up and a lot of delivery times have been delayed significantly. This year in hurricane windows, it's really difficult. We're looking at, for some contractors, 5 to 6 month lead times on when manufacturers are going to be able to deliver windows. So when we start thinking about hurricane season and when the height of hurricane season generally occurs here in South Florida, we look at that August, September, October time frame, where normally if we looked at the process in June, we'd be all set, no problem to have windows custom made, manufactured, installed in plenty of time before August. Well, this year is very different. That timetable needs to be moved up in hopes of getting the product. Over the last several years, we talked a lot about how important it is to choose the most reliable contractor and make the best decision as it relates to the contractor you choose to do your project. And now more than ever, that's really imperative because some of the smaller contractors, when there's a big delay in manufacturing, they're going to be the last ones to get their products. So now more than ever, financial viability of the contractor you choose is really important to ensure that they're able to get the products necessary to do your project. So I know there's a lot of things to consider when you're making this decision, and there's a lot of things as it relates to windows and installation, but it's really important that you know a lot about the contractor and really feel confident in them that they'll be able to perform this project and get it done in a timely manner so that you don't get left in the middle. So remember, this year above everything else, it's really important to start early and be prepared for this hurricane season. Back to you, Elena.
Thanks, Tat.